We're here in Lampedusa for the first part of the Lampedusa Project called Hospitium. It's a project by the Austrian artist Tanja Boukal from Vienna. Tanja's artistic approach is to immerse herself into the circumstances, in this case Lampedusa as an island, Lampedusa with its many worlds. And from her experiences on the island, she then creates different means of artistic practice. One of which is this festival which we have this week, RiparAbile. The second one will be a light installation called La Via dell'Altro, which means the way of the other, because it's going to connect actually the city, the Belvedere, with the Molo where migrants arrive. And the third part is going to be an exhibition of works of art. From 2008 until now, Tanja Boukal is also doing new works here on the island while she's staying here. And the title of this exhibition will be Nessunisola, so no island actually, because we all are islands, but we're no islands on the same time.
RiparAbile, the festival that I started now, the word contains repair and the possibility to repair. So it's RiparAbile. And it says a lot about why I'm doing that. Because when I came here the first time in November, I just saw it's not one island, it's 7 worlds. Like you have all these different people who live here or who work here, who are here for a short period, who are here for a long period. Altogether it's about around 3,000. But the thing here is they don't talk to each other. You sit somewhere and 5 people tell you 10 ways how Lampedusa is. And I always thought, like, why don't they talk with each other? So the idea of the festival was to do things where I can bring people to the table. And you can bring people to a table when they work together. The first workshop that started was the workshop with MagWeb, where the idea was to record a little bit all these voices of the island and make something together with these voices. Another workshop that was well received by the people of Lampedusa was the rebuilding of the bocce place. Because when I talked to people here, like everybody was kind of, oh, the bocce place is missing. They had one, but it was taken away during a renovation. And then I said, like, okay, let's build it again. And that's, again, a place where you can come together, unite. You don't have to talk, you can just play together. Also, one workshop we did very public in Via Roma, where we asked just people that pass by to tell us their favorite life hack. What is the one little thing that makes their life better? Today we are at Agrigento, which is a place where they try to plant, again, vegetables on the island, which is not done since a couple of years, so they try to do it again. So the whole workshops today, they are around the topic of planting, how to plant your own plants, but also how to recycle stuff and make plant pots out of old plastic bottles. And it ends up today with an aperitivo here where all people will sit together and talk. There is a workshop with the Archivo Storico where we look for old photos and search the places where these photos have been taken, and we'll have a talk about how the place looks today, and we will do new photos with our modern technology.